A TV news reporter calls asking to give a comment about your medical malpractice case. Is there any benefit to me saying, "I'm sorry, I can't answer your questions, no comment"? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. There are some instances where it is entirely beneficial to tell the news reporter, "I'm sorry, I can't comment. I have nothing to say right now." Why would I do that? I'll tell you why. If we are in the middle of settlement negotiations, and now I believe that we are close to trying to resolve your case favorably, there is absolutely no benefit to me, to my client, to go ahead and start publicizing the details of what's going on. If I do that, I could literally jeopardize the settlement discussions, and I could literally ruin your opportunity to resolve your case before ever going to trial and taking a verdict. So that's why you will find that some of the best trial lawyers in New York, when they are contacted by a news reporter for information, they want information about what's going on with this case, they want comment, they want commentary. Some of the best trial lawyers will turn around if they're in the middle of negotiation and say, "You know what, I can't talk now. Maybe once this case is resolved, I'll be happy to chat with you, but right now, we can't do it." Now, on the other hand, there are times when it is beneficial to go ahead and chat with a news reporter, because it might be beneficial to generate publicity and news coverage about your particular matter. It might be for a number of different reasons. There might be clear strategies to try and put pressure on the hospital, on the city, to try and put pressure on the insurance company, to get them to recognize that they did something wrong, their clients did something wrong. And now it might be crucial to raise awareness in the general public about what exactly happened. So there are certain instances in terms of a strategy about when it's appropriate to talk to the news reporters and when it is not appropriate to talk to news reporters. You have to decide that on an individual basis based upon what your ultimate goal is and where you are in the litigation process. So why do I share this quick inside look with you? I share it with you just to give you an inside view of what goes on in these civil lawsuits here in New York when a news reporter reaches out to us and they want information and comment about your particular case. You know, I realize you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit, but you have questions that need answers first, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.